Finally, this is the last step in this section of the configuration of your server with Envato Castle WordPress plugin. Let's generate the Envato Castle client plugin, which is a unique WordPress plugin using your Envato's author name to include in your WordPress projects you have developed to force your clients to verify their licenses from their websites and receive the appropriate sendback content from your server by items version using the WordPress REST API. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Envato Castle menu item and click on Client Plugin. Here's the path of the directory that we will use to save your generated plugin, so it must be a writable directory. Go to Select a Seller drop-down list and select your seller, then click on Prepare My Client Plugin button. Congratulations, you have created your Envato Castle client plugin successfully. Let's download it and take a look inside the files to see what we done. You will see that every single piece is prefixed with your Envato's author name, the main plugins directory, the main plugins file, the constants, the global variables, and the entire plugins classes is under namespace prefixed with your Envato's author name. And here's your plugins version that you should modify once you've modified the items belongs to that seller, whether you add or delete any item. And here's the Envato's app values using to connect to the Envato servers to verify users' licenses. The Seller Customizer class contains the most important filters to connect to your server using the WordPress REST API. Here's your Envato's app confirmation URL in an array and your site URL, which is considered as a server for your clients. The Seller Customizer class also contains all your projects you've just created in the Envato Castle CPTs item. These items categorized inside groups like the categories you've created in the item category CPT. And here's the project mag for you that we will use to test the Envato Castle client plugin from our client's terminal. You'll notice couple lines of defined constants that you should have in your project's main file as a comment over each item array, which you can just copy and paste it in your project's main file like functions.php in WordPress themes, or the main plugin file in case you develop a WordPress plugin. Remember the item's secret content version? That's it, you need to modify the word sendback content version with your item sendback content version to send the correct content to your clients. We know it might be a little bit complicated for beginners, so we'll include it in our WordPress project mag for you to show you how it works. See you in the next step.